I've made over 300 films, but in recent years I've seen drone footage revolutionize the way I make films, not just for great establishing shots, but in many other ways too. Amazing reveals, bird's eye views, wow factor shots. I've even shot footage that looks unreal. Perspectives that are exciting. And if you have the latest DJI drone, there are some quick shots that are mind-blowing. I've had people ask me, how did you achieve that look? Clean and smooth. First thing is to program the drone, slow all the movement down. Jerky movements destroy most shots. Second, try to plan ahead the shots you want to get. Next, let the film roll. So many shots are stopped before their time. In the early days, I was always cutting the shot too quickly. Now I let it roll and erase what I don't need afterwards. I'm still learning how to get great drone shots, but I quickly realized I needed a few accessories to get good shots. I always use circular polarizing filters when filming in sunshine with my cameras, and it really makes a difference. So I checked out what was available for my drones. I wanted glass, coated, good reviews, and at a reasonable price. As I was checking, Freewell Gear emailed me and asked me if I would review their product. I was impressed by the specs. Glass, coated 8 times both sides, great reviews, so I agreed, and they sent me some filters. After extensive tests, I am very happy with them. They have both ND and ND plus circular polarizer in differing strengths. Okay, why a polarizing filter? Well, it cuts reflected light, and in doing so we get richer, more saturated colors. How to adjust it? Just point the camera at the sky at 90 degrees to the sun's position and rotate the filter until the sky deepens in color. After that, it only needs to be readjusted if the sun has moved significantly in the sky. This is what happens when I rotate the filter. I can also remove reflections when shooting through car or train windows. If you don't believe me, take a look at this. 2 polarizers cut the light totally. But why an ND filter? A neutral density filter reduces the light, allowing us to use a slower shutter speed. If the shutter speed is too fast and the drone is moving quite fast, it may give a strobe effect or simply look unnatural. The recommended shutter speed is double the frame rate. I shoot at 30 frames a second, therefore a 60th is perfect. It makes for smoother motion. The problem is that in sunlight, at an ideal 100 ISO and with a fixed aperture drone, this can only be achieved by the use of an ND filter. When I use the circular polarizer ND filter, the result is smooth shots and bright, well-saturated colors. These shots are with the Freewell circular polarizer ND filter. Smooth and great color. For the beginner, there's a rough guide on the box, but the Polar Pro Hub app and recommends the correct filter strength according to where you are. One last thing, Freewell sent me a landing pad too, and I have found it very useful. I'm often on a beach or on grass or on a dusty surface, and when the drone takes off, it stirs up a lot of dust. The pad prevents this and tells me exactly where the drone took off. So be sure to check out the Freewell Gear website. I am very satisfied with their products. Happy shooting!